Why are you blowing horn like a mad person? Calm down. You guys are not ever patient. Good morning. How are you all doing? Hope you are good. So this is the beginning of a new vlog. It's been a while I vlogged. It's been a while actually, and I just said I've posted 2 sit-down videos, and I know that I cannot post a 3rd sit-down video if I don't give you guys a vlog. So welcome to a new vlog. I'm out of the house already. I'm running some few errands today. I'm currently at the filling station to refill my gas. That's where they are refilling it. So I'm just waiting for them to fill it up. What's the price of gas? I didn't ask them how much is a liter, but I'm surprised they told me 19,500 will fill up my cylinder, because normally the last one we bought, it was 20,000 that filled it up. It's a 25 kg cylinder. The last one, it was 20,000 we used, and that was on Christmas Day last year. So now they told me 19,500. So I don't know if the price of gas reduced though. I honestly don't know. But how long does a gas cylinder last? If you use a 12.5, how long does it last? And if you use a bigger one, how long does it last? I've not been taking account of these things, but why I remember this one was because it finished on Christmas Day morning. As I was about to start making Christmas food, that was when it finished. And we went to go and buy. I don't have the spare cylinder. My spare cylinder is old, so they advised me not to use it again. That's why I was able to take note of how long this particular gas lasted. And today is 20 what? What's today's date? Today is 21st, I think. It lasted approximately for 3 months. So that's not so bad. That's not bad. If I can do 3 months, I think that's cool. I'm waiting for them to let them finish so I can do all my plenty waka waka. Yep, that's my cylinder. Please hold it with the stone so that it doesn't move. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Yep, so guys, I'm leaving now. I just remembered I need to recharge them. Why are you blowing horn like a mad person? Calm down. You guys are not ever patient. I want to recharge my Wi-Fi. So let me head over to SpectraNet first to recharge it before I go to the supermarket. See him. Where are you running to? You will always be running. If you give me 5 minutes, I'll get to wherever it is you're going. I don't know why drivers can be so impatient. Guys, I'm here. I'm at the SpectraNet office. Let me quickly go in, recharge my Wi-Fi, and then I head to the supermarket. Guys, I didn't buy data. I didn't recharge. They said there is no double data, and I'm not buying because well, for double data, assuming I want to buy 35 gig, if it's the day they are giving a double data, I'll get 70 gig. So why would I go and buy only 35 gig? So I will wait. If I'm able to come here again before the weekend, I'll come and find out if they have double data. Because usually I'm supposed to receive a text message any day there is data, any day they are giving double data. But I don't know why I don't get the text messages anymore. I've complained to them. They said they'll have to re-register me all over again. I have to come with NIN. It sounded like a plenty process to me, and I don't even want anything that is stressing me. So what I do randomly, if it finishes and I come and they say there is double data, I buy. If I'm not able to come, I'll wait till Sunday. So if I'm not able to come again before the week runs out, I'll just wait, and then on Sunday I'll use my card and buy it and then follow up with them. I'll have to call their customer care so that they will activate it. That double data is very, very important to me. So when I pay for my 35 gig, I get 70 gig. So let me continue my one. I'm taking 2 of this. Two. How much?
2,700.
What did I buy? Please, what did I buy that is 2,700? Then, how much is the Milo? I couldn't make it to the market again today. Time has gone. I need to do school run now. So I'll probably go to the market tomorrow to buy food stuff. But I'm done with every other thing I set out to do today. It's not easy. It's not easy. So guys, this vlog will continue probably tomorrow. I'll be signing out here for now. Stay tuned. Hi, good morning. Hope you guys slept well. This is past 9 a.m. and I'm at the market already. I'm about to get down from the car. I want to buy food stuff in bulk, so I went to a market that is a bit far and I decided to carry you guys along. But today I'm not so energetic. I don't know. I've done a lot this morning in my house before I left the house, so I don't know how much I can vlog, but I can try as much as I can to vlog. So whatever I'm able to do, I will definitely take you guys along. So why are you using two calculators? Yeah. Okay. 1,000, Abby. Yes. Curious, next case. Okay. Not the true, I'm not no break.
10.
That one.
No, I don't get berry. Okay, this one.
I will try again.
This one.
That one?
Yes. Hey, I want slippers, bro.
A few moments later.
Hi guys, I'm back home. Going to the market wears me out, honestly. going to the market wears me out. I am so exhausted. Who else doesn't like going to the market? I don't like going to the market because it wears me out. It really, really wears me out. I can't wait for when I'll start delegating my market runs to someone. The problem is that other than my sister, I don't have the confidence of someone else buying things for me. I don't know, but eventually I'll start delegating because going to market wears me out, especially when you're going to a big market where you know that you'll get the cost of foodstuff cheaper. Because where I live, the market in my area, they are killing us. They cut our neck. Honestly, they cut our neck, but because it's very, very convenient, you can just branch in, buy everything you want in one place and then you leave. But when you go to a big market, the market is big. You have to keep walking and walking, going to different shops just to get what you want. Guys, I'm tired though. My tired is tired as I'm talking to you. I just finished unpacking and I still have baskets of tatashi to wash. Hey, well, it is well. I just said let me come here and talk to you guys. This vlog is still continuing. It's not ending yet. I don't even know when it's going to end, but thank you guys so much for watching so far, and please stay tuned.
The next day.
Hi, good morning. How are you guys doing? So I'm in the kitchen. I'm doing some meal prep. I left this kitchen around 9 p.m. last night. Anyways, so I want to blend the crayfish that I bought from the market. I like blending it before storing, so it's just easy for me to use. I finished cleaning the crayfish. Guys, do you clean your crayfish? This crayfish I bought, it had lots of shell. Let me show you guys. It had lots of shell. It wasn't clean at all, so I had to clean. I always clean up my crayfish though, and I learned this from my mother-in-law. Before then, when I buy crayfish, I'll just grind. I don't even bother cleaning it up, but after I saw my mother-in-law cleaning her crayfish, I learned from her, because she'll just sit down, take her time, use tray, and start cleaning up her crayfish before she blends. And I learned that from her, and since I started it, I cannot buy crayfish and just go ahead and use it like that without cleaning it up. So I'm using my power blender. This blender of mine is multi-purpose. I use it to blend dry things, I use it to blend wet things. It's really, really multi-purpose. So I'll just start blending. And that's that. I'll now go ahead and blend the tomatoes. I washed the tatashi last night. I prepped it, I boiled it, so now it's to blend and stuff.
See you make me
So guys, I'll be ending this vlog here. I'll be ending it here. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you for staying tuned. I love you guys so much. Please guys, do the needful. You know what to do now. Do all the good stuff. Please give this video a massive thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and share with your friends and loved ones. Till I see you next time. Bye.